Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are to multiply binomials. This is the inverse process of factorization, in which you can see this example. You have two factored binomials, and now we are to recombine them. And this process, we call it expansion. If you are to expand these two binomials, the accent is to apply distributive property 2 times. But in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you a straightforward method, and in acronym is called FOIL. Let's start from the capital F. This F tells you first term. So you are to identify first term in each binomial. I believe it's A and C. And now we are to use A to multiply by C. So your first term here should be A times C. Moving on, we have O. O means outer. So we are to find the two outer term. So I believe is A and D. So we are to use the two outer terms and multiply them together. A times D. The next, you have I. I means inner. We are to find the two inner terms. I believe it's B and C. So we are to use B and multiply by C. The last, you have L. So L means last. So last term in each binomial, I believe you should get B and D. And let's multiply them, B times D. And I believe you have got the expression here using the acronym FOIL. So let's find the quick way. So AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Moving on, we are to expand this binomial using FOIL. Let's recall FOIL. F, O, I, and L. Let's start from F. So first term in each binomial, x multiplied by 2x. The next, you have O. O tells you outer, so x and 5. X times 5. The next, you have I. I tells you inner, 3 and 2x. Three times 2x. And last means last term in each binomial. I believe you should get 3 and 5. If you are to look at the four terms here, each term is separated by the plus sign. And let's multiply them. Let's look at the first term, x times 2x. 2, you put it there. X is being multiplied by itself 2 times, 2x squared, plus x times 5, bring the 5, 5x, plus 3 times 2x, 3 times 2 gives you 6, bring the x, and 3 plus 5, I believe that should give you 15. If you are to look at the middle two term we have, I believe 5x and 6x, they are like terms, so we are to collect the like terms. So I believe you should have 11x altogether. And let's simplify this. So your final answer should give you 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. Moving on, we are to look at another example. Let's recall your acronym. So it's FOIL, FOIL. Let's start from F. F is first term in each binomial. Two x multiplied by 3x. Next, you have O. O means outer, 2x, and minus 4. Okay, if there is a minus, you are to remember the minus sign. You have 2x times minus 4. The next, you have I. I means inner, so 3 and 3x. 3 times 3x. The last, you have last, so 3 and minus 4. Remember, if there is a minus sign, you are always to attach the number or the term with the minus sign. So 3 times minus 4. And now let's perform the simplification. Looking at the red term we have, 2 times 3 should give you 6. X times x. X is being multiplied by itself 2 times. The next, you have 2x times minus 4. I believe that should give you minus 8x. Remember the plus sign, we will remove that later. And plus 3 times 3x. So 3 times 3 should give you 9x. And the last 3 times minus 4, that should give you minus 12. And if you are looking at our linear term, you have minus 8x plus 9x. So they have x in common. So I believe you should collect them. And let's look at the first term, just that. That's all right. And plus minus should give you minus. So minus 12. And let's simplify the linear term we have. So minus 8 plus 9 should give you 1. So plus 1x, which is x minus 12. That should be your final answer. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.